Welcome to the only Zontes dedicated maintenance and instructional how-to video channel on YouTube. Zontes videos are designed for factory training and dealer know-how, as bikes these days disassemble in a complex layered manner. So the video you are watching does not mean the bike has flaws. It shows dedication from Zontes to ensure all procedures are met when exporting to the global market. Can you name me any other motorbike manufacturer that provides this level of detail? Please enjoy the video, and if afterwards you have learnt something, well, that's my satisfaction complete. Regards, Mad Mick. Welcome back to the channel, all you Zontes maniacs. If you're new to the channel, this is the only place on YouTube where you will find all you need to know regarding looking after your Zontes ride. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on new content uploads. So let's dive into this video. As the new Zontes 703F is entering all countries around the globe, and soon will be in the UK showrooms, I thought it a good time to release the English subtitled video of how dealers have been advised on how to unbox the motorcycle. I am sure a lot of dealers won't be using a gantry crane, but will find other ways to support the bike. So while you watch this 17-minute video, feel free to skip to the parts you want to see. I have put together some details of the amazing bike, and will have probably missed some features out, but here goes. The Zontes 703F is a game-changer in the adventure bike segment, packing cutting-edge technology and thrilling performance into a sleek, aggressive design. Here's an electrifying overview. 699 cubic centimeters inline triple-cylinder engine, delivering 97 horsepower at 10,000 RPM and 76 Newton-meters of torque at 7,500 RPM. 6-speed transmission with a quick shifter for seamless gear changes. 120-degree crank angle ensures a smooth, balanced ride. Cast aluminium twin spar frame, lightweight yet incredibly strong. One-piece cast aluminium swing arm and subframe for superior durability. Marzocchi adjustable suspension compression and rebound damping for ultimate control. Dual 310mm brake discs with J1 4-piston calipers for precision braking. 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wire spoke wheels wrapped in Michelin tires. Electrically adjustable windscreen for on-the-fly adaptability. Built-in front and rear dashcams to capture every ride. Keyless ignition and electronic fuel filler cap for effortless access. 8-inch color TFT display with advanced connectivity. Automatic headlights and cornering lights for enhanced visibility. Traction control and ABS for superior safety. Blind spot mirror warning using radar. This beast is built for riders who demand power, precision, and innovation. Whether carving through twisty roads or conquering rugged terrain, the Zontes 703F is ready to dominate. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Regards, Mad Mick.
coming for the throne.